Hi there. So today I want to talk about one of the sci-fi subgenres called as steampunk, and I have a feeling that you have probably watched a couple of animation movies in this genre without realizing it. So what qualifies something as steampunk? So steampunk is super heavy on aesthetics. You will find a lot of elements of brass, a lot of Victorian elements, and the typical mass-produced modern elements are excluded from it. You will also find it in their dresses, super vintage, a lot of older puffy dresses that women wear, and a lot of navy and army related costumes that are designated for men. Steampunk is also known to have a very creative contraptions, and with the growing concerns of environment and energy crisis, people also often look into this subgenre for creative ideas and if they have any sort of real world implications. Now, coming to examples, there is this popular show called Arcane. You have already watched it, and if you pay attention, that Arcane is divided into two parts. One is the higher ups, and then there is the you know underbelly of the city. And I have talked about this before that the underbelly is represented to have an inclination for cyberpunk with the neon lights and very rough and edgy sort of personalities, while the higher ups are like totally opposite. They have access to these high towers, again with a lot of brass elements, not just with the towers but also what people choose to wear. And it reflects in their jewelries and their badges and so on. There is this other movie from Disney called Treasure Planet, which is based on R.L. Stevenson's book, and I think it hits the pinnacle of all steampunk movies so far because it is sci-fi definitely, and it is a very clever movie in terms of super original ideas like moonport, a crescent moon that you see from Earth, but when you travel towards it, it is actually a port with all the ships anchored there. The older ships, but they have all these abilities to travel across cosmos, so on and so forth. Um, do you have any other examples? So to let me know.